We're going to make a dragon scale type bracelet. We are using 3 different colors of pink. We are using 2 metallics and just some regular pink in between. I haven't quite finished yet, but here is what the bracelet will look like. We've got one side with the lighter metallic and the other side with the darker metallic. Here are some other bracelets that I've made using similar styles, just with one metallic instead of the 2 different colors. I would just continue on with 4 of the same versus 2 and 2. Let's get started. Welcome back. It's been a little while since I posted a video. Today I wanted to do a 32 strand bracelet. I've been doing a few craft projects on the side, so I thought I would share with you one that I've just done. I have bought myself a disc that has 72 spots on it, so I can easily do a 32 strand bracelet. I'm using 3 different types of string today. I got them on Temu. You'll see them quite regularly. I'll see if I can list it in the comments. I've got this pink color, and I've got 2 different metallics, a light pink and a darker pink. I have cut about 56 centimeters for this string, and I have 16 of this pink cut to size, and I have 8 of each of the metallic threads. I find the easiest way to get them all together is to tie a little knot. Try to get them as even as possible. You can tie a literal knot, but today I'm going to do a little loop like that. Just make sure all the strings are above that. I'm going to tie really tightly around. I'm going to go through that little loop, and you're going to pull on both sides and really tighten that. I have a weight. I have used big paper clips in the past, anything to hold it down. Put it through the hole. All right, this takes a few minutes to set up properly. And I'm going to start at the number 1. What I'm going to do is on the outside, I'm going to have this lighter metallic. Then I'm going to have 2 of the pink. Then I'm going to do 2 of the darker pink. Two more pink. And then the lighter pink. You could mix it up and you'd get a totally different pattern. We'll see what we end up with. So light, 2 pink, 2 dark pink, regular pink and that light. Just gonna get that out of the way. Let's just straighten it up here. Pull those tight. And they might look a little mixed up in the beginning, but we'll make them work out. You might want to play around a little bit, see if you could get, there's a string that looks a little bit better. But I think we can straighten it out. All right, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to go really slow. This one took me a little bit to learn. It's kind of a variation of a dragon. So what we're going to do is you have 1, 2, 3, 4, you have 8. But what we're going to do is we're going to take 4 of those, cross it over each other. So first we're going to go this way. Okay, so I'm going to take these here. And then I'm going to move right here, and I'm going to take these 4 right here, move them up. And then I'm going to take these 4 and move them up. And I'm going to take these middle 4 and move them over here. Okay, and then to finish it off, I'm just going to put these together. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to this one position, and this time we're going to go the opposite way. So I'm going to take these and go this way. And then go this way. So just keep rotating. And then we're back to these. Remove those. And put these all together. And then we're back here. Once we get going, what you'll notice is you've got some that are under and some that are over. It's not super clear right now, but if I do a couple more rounds, you'll see it. But what I'm going to do is I always am guided by the strings that are under. Okay, so I see these are under, so I'm going to go this way, which then changes my rotation. See if we can get that more clear in the next round. You can do it one string at a time if it's easier. Once you get going, you can do 2 strings at a time. Then put those together. Okay, back to 1. And now you can see it a little more clear. You see those are under that string and those are over. We're going to go with the ones that are under. And that guides us to the correct rotation. And then back together. And back to the 1. You can see those are under, those are over, so we're going to go that way. And every once in a while, we're just going to pull down on that a little bit. If you're using a smaller disc, you may find that you need to move the strings around a little bit as they start to run into each other. It may be hard to figure out. Okay, as you can see, that is over, that is under, so then we're going to go this way. It's creating a lovely pattern there. As you saw from my other videos, you don't have to have any particular string. Pick your own colors and just practice the technique. Your tension will get better as you move along. So we're back to 1. As you can see, we're going to go that way. right, I'll come back when I have a little bit done so I can show you what it looks like. So here's what we have so far for our bracelet. Really just wanted to point out on one side we have the lighter metallic and on the other side we have the darker metallic. If you had chosen all the same metallic colors, you would have a bracelet that looks more like these two right here, which you can see are a little more balanced in color, with both sides having the metallic on them, which looks more like a dragon scale. As I said earlier, this isn't a true dragon scale, but it is a variation of it. Another thing you could do within these style of bracelet, you could put a tube or a small paracord through them to make it thicker if you wanted to. It can easily be done. I'm going to end the video here today. Thanks for joining Hatch and Bloom. As always, please let me know if there's something else you want to see, different colors, different styles.